Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Pharma Basic. Today we are going to discuss about the GPAT Top 200 one-line revision notes. As GPAT exam is tomorrow, so we are going to discuss about the one-line notes. That is the half-life is equal to 0.693 by K. Then after zero order reaction is independent of concentration. It does not depend upon the concentration. First order reaction depends upon the concentration. First order reaction, it depends upon the concentration. Noise-Whitney equation used for dissolution rate. Higgoshi model explained the drug release from the matrix system. Fick's law describes the passive diffusion. Bioavailability is equal to area under the curve by area under curve oral divided by area under curve by IB into dose given by IB divided by dose given by oral. This will give you the bioavailability. Then the volume of distribution VD is equal to dose by plasma concentration. That is the volume of distribution. Clearance is equal to rate of elimination by plasma concentration. Loading dose is equal to volume of distribution into target concentration by bioavailability. Maintenance dose is equal to clearance into target concentration into dosing interval. This is the maintenance dose. The lyophilization occurs below the triple point of the water. Glass transition temperature measured by DSC, that means differential scanning calorimetry. Cyclodextrins are the improve the drug solubility. Dentamers are the highly branched polymer which act as a drug carrier. Dentamers. Liposomes are the phospholipid vesicles used in the drug delivery. Using novel drug delivery system. Klew-Niger tester. It is a electromechanical tester for tablet hardness testing. Roche's friability measure the friability used for the friability testing. Bloom instant, it is determines the gelatin quality. Angle of reports indicates the powder flow property. Bulk density is equal to mass by bulk volume. Tap density is equal to used to calculate the compressibility of a powder or compressibility index of a powder. Tap density. Car's index is equal to tap density minus bulk density by tap density into 100. That is give you the Car's index. Hausner ratio, tap density by bulk density. That is the Hausner ratio. Thixotropy. Thixotropy, it is the gel becomes fluid on shaking. That is thixotropy. Gels become fluid on shaking. Rheopexy. Rheopexy is the viscosity increases with shear. If we increases the shear, viscosity also increases. That is called rheopexy. Dilatant system, viscosity increases with the shear rate. If shear rate increases, viscosity increases. That system is called dilatant system. Plastic flow requires the yield stress. Microencapsulation protect the unstable drugs. PEG, polyethylene glycol, commonly used as a suppository basis. HPMC, hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose, is used as a sustained release polymer. Lactose is commonly used as a tablet diluent. Magnesium citrate used as a lubricant. PVP, polyvinyl pyrrolidine, act as a binder. It is a water-soluble synthetic binder. Sodium esters glycolate, it is a super disintegrant. Sodium esters glycolate. Mannitol used as a freeze-dried product. Borax acts as an emulsifier in cold cream. Borax acts as an emulsifier in cold cream. Humectant retain the moisture in a cosmetics. Class 100 clean rooms allows the not more than 100 particles of 0.5 micromillimeter particles or more. Class 100 clean room allows the less than 100 particles of size more than 0.5 micrometer. HEPA filter removes the 99.97% of particles which is more than 0.3 micrometer. Cool storage temperature is 8 to 15 degrees centigrade. Refrigerated storage temperature, that is 2 to 8 degrees centigrade, and room temperature is 20 to 25 degrees centigrade. Suspension degraded by zero order kinetics. Sterilization by dry heat, it is at 160 degrees centigrade for 2 hours, and autoclaving 121 degrees centigrade for 15 minutes. Gamma radiation, it sterilizes the medical products. So medical products sterilized by gamma radiation. Ethylene oxide sterilizes the heat sensitive materials. Heat sensitive materials are sterilized by ethylene oxide. Coulter method measures the particle size. Plate count technique measures the viable bacteria. So these are the 50 out of 200. These are the 50 online notes.